Locate the water supply valve and turn to the off position. Locate the blue water valve clip and remove from the 90-degree elbow water valve connector. Next, remove the tubing from the water valve connector. Remove the vent cover backing by removing the Phillips head screws and set aside. Locate the Phillips screw that secures the water valve to the refrigerator, then remove the screw. Remove the bracket to free the water valve to disconnect the wire harness as shown. Remove the tubing that connects to the orange and the gray connectors. Install the new water valve and reconnect the tubing to the orange and gray connectors. Reconnect the wire harness to the water valve. Insert the water valve to the back of the refrigerator, making sure the wire harness is out of the way, and align the bracket to the side of the refrigerator, lining up the screw hole. Insert the Phillips screw into the bracket and tighten down the screw. Install the vent cover backing by hand tightening the screws to hold it in place. Then tighten the screws down. Insert the water tube back into the water valve. Lock tubing into place by using the blue water valve clip. Turn water supply valve to the on position.